Hi everyone, today's video we're just looking at another compatible capsule today because we looked at Aldi's yesterday and we weren't very impressed. So today I'm just showing you Starbucks compatible capsules because I bought a pack of these about a month ago and this is the last one actually, I've gone through them all and it was a completely different ball game with this one than it was with the Aldi one. I tried the Aldi one yesterday and it's got a plastic casing, the foil lid's not very good on it. And we had a bit of a nightmare with the machine when I sent it through. It seemed to drip loads of water down into the drip tray at the bottom. So when I pulled it out, a load of water came out as well. But I've never noticed that with these Starbucks ones. The taste is good. I like it, but it's all about personal taste, that isn't it? If you like Starbucks coffee, then you're probably going to enjoy the capsule. Personally, I like the Nespresso original capsules so far from these couple of different ones that I've tried of the compatible ones. But this Starbucks one, you might not know, but I'll just show you the box. On the box, sorry if it's a bit scruffy, I've salvaged it from my recycling. But on the box it says that Starbucks by Nespresso. So that's a little bit different. The Nespresso compatible capsules, but they're actually made by Nespresso and it's their technology that make them. So why is that different? Well, it's different because this is actually, just like the original Nespresso capsule, this is an aluminium capsule. And you'll see the film lids on top. That is really solid, as is this one. So when you're piercing it, they're going to pierce properly. But it's interesting that they're made by Nestle themselves, by Nespresso, and you can actually recycle the Starbucks capsules through the Nespresso service. So, you know, if you want to have some Nespresso capsules and some Starbucks ones, you don't have to worry about having to recycle them separately. You can send them back in the Nespresso bags, or even take them into a boutique and they'll recycle them for you. So what that tells you is that there's absolutely no problem with the quality of these capsules. They're aluminium, the lids are fine, so they're going to pierce properly, they're not going to do any damage to your machine. So that's a real positive bonus. So what about price then? Let's get these out again. The price of these Aldi ones worked out at about 15 pence each. But personally, for the quality of the coffee I got out of it, I wouldn't go anywhere near that. But this Starbucks one, the quality was nice, and the price isn't that much different to the Nespresso original capsules. See, these, when they're on full price, they're supposed to be about 33 pence a capsule. And I think the Nespresso ones around this sort of intensity, they're a very similar price. So you're not buying these compatible capsules to save money. You're buying them specifically because you like the coffee. Right, so let's get rid of these ones for now because we're not going to use them. We'll just make a quick espresso just to show you as well the richness of the coffee. Because when we did the Aldi one yesterday, it came out, it didn't smell very nice. The colour of the capsule wasn't great. The colour of the coffee, sorry, it had a bit of a cloudy colour to it. And I know it was a lungo capsule, but you know, you want it to, I like a nice rich coffee myself, so we'll just try one out. I'll just put an espresso shot through the machine and you can see how it looks and see if it looks appetizing to you to go and buy one and try them out. So just pop it in now. If we listen now as I pierce the capsule, you'll hear that there's nothing untoward happening, which sometimes you can hear with the Aldi ones. It's really smooth and it's pierced properly. So I'll just send it through now and you can see how rich it comes out. It smells really good, does that? And there we go, a nice Starbucks by Nespresso coffee. So, what do we think? Definitely worth a try, the Starbucks coffee. It's all about personal taste, you're not doing it for price. However, they are, if you're worried about price, you can get them on offer in supermarkets. Like when I bought mine, I think I got them from Asda. They were about £2.50 for 10, so that would make it 25 pence a capsule. Usually it's supposed to be £3.30 for 10, so that would be 33 pence a capsule. If they're not on offer in one of those, maybe try a different supermarket if you don't mind, if you're one of those who likes to shop around. But you know, give it a try, see what you think. Feel free to leave a comment below if you like them, or if there's a specific compatible capsule that you like or that you'd like me to review, to try out. Please feel free to comment. Also, subscribe to the channel and check out our playlist and our channel page. We've got loads of Nespresso videos with hints and tips on how to use your machine and how to make different coffees. But thanks for watching this one. Please give it a like. Bye for now.